I tell people when they laugh, this song, it took me in different planes that I can't count. I sat in business classes in planes because of this song. Recently someone called me, took me in his shopping chic. He said, pick something you want in 5 minutes and come out. I went to Kauga recently. They asked for songs. 3 songs. I would ask more, but they wouldn't permit me to sing the 3 songs. Those who are delighted with those 3 songs, please go on YouTube and watch me there. There's some who wrote to me here on Instagram asking for songs. I'm not an artist. I'm just a worshiper. I'm a singer. So all the songs belong to me. So we're going to sing a song of true promises. I did not write this song. I didn't even do any arrangements. Even the songs, the verses, is someone was
Yeah.
And they want to switch off our altars. They continue to familiarize with us. They don't come across because of the blood that protects us. But there is a fix you can, a kick you can give. And one demon will be kicked, and things will come out because of your kick.
But God
transformed my life through that song. You wouldn't understand this. I tell people when they laugh, this song, it took me in different planes that I can't count. I sat in business classes in planes because of this song. Recently someone called me, took me in his shopping chic. He said, pick something you want in 5 minutes and come out. There are people who can pick a lot of things. I couldn't figure out what I wanted in 5 minutes.
Three
your ministries. I was blessed with that song like 3 weeks ago. I compare it to a child who is being carried in the back. When a mother is carrying a baby, there is a covering they cover over the top of the baby so that the baby can sleep comfortably. That is how Jesus carries us. He carries us in the back and then He will cover us. Because He knows we are unable in this journey. But the problem that we face, there are children who are being stubborn. They want to remove the veil to see where what God is taking them. We have such